Someone is doing the unthinkable and putting a V8 in a Tesla Model S. Hello everyone, welcome to HotCars. My name's Max Landy, and here on this channel we talk about the hottest news across the automotive landscape. And the YouTube channel Rich Rebuilds, he's quite well known for being a little bit of a purveyor in the world of aftermarket Tesla engineering. Tesla is quite strict on the parts used on their vehicle, and they would much prefer to do the work themselves rather than outsource it to other individuals. And Rich Rebuilds has very much been against this ideology. In the past, he's done plenty of other rebuilds on plenty of other vehicles, but this V8-powered Tesla Model S is going to be the first time gasoline has ever come close to a Tesla Model S. It's going to be quite a journey for him, I'm sure, as there's no space for the powertrain components. There's no such thing as a drive shaft in an electric car, just a place even to put the fuel in. He's going to have to drill some kind of hole for it, and we highly recommend that you go and check out his YouTube channel. I'm sure he's got a lot of work ahead of him, so let's be sure to reward him for that hard work. So what do you think about this project? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for taking the time to watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of those other great things really helps HotCars out a lot. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you here again soon.